now I am going to discuss the slot commands. Let's begin. The slot command of SolidWorks you will get here. So if you click in this arrow, you can see that here we will get 4 kinds of slot: straight slot, center point straight slot, 3-point arc slot, and center point arc slot. So begin with the straight slot. So select a straight slot. Now just click one point. Now click another point and just click here. So this is our straight slot. Now go for the next one. Okay, go for the next one, that is center point straight slot. So at first select the center point. Now click here. Now another click. So this is also finished. Okay, now go for the third one, that is 3-point arc slot. So first point, second point, third point, and now finish this one. Okay, now go for the last one, that is center point arc slot. So select center point, now another point. Okay, now another point, another point. So these are center point arc slot. So all these things about the slot. Thank you.